Let's talk about something most of us don't pay enough attention to: tire pressure. It might not seem like a big deal, but the air inside your tires has a huge impact on your car's performance and your wallet. Here's the deal. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder to move the car. And you know what that means: more fuel burned and more money out of your pocket. On the other hand, overinflated tires can wear unevenly and reduce traction, making your ride unsafe. Now, here's the lesser-known part. Even a slight drop of 1 psi can decrease your fuel efficiency by about 0.2%. Over time, that adds up. Plus, tires naturally lose about 1 to 2 psi per month, even if there's no puncture. Seasonal temperature changes? That's another story. Colder weather deflates them even faster. The solution? Check your tire pressure regularly, at least once a month, and especially before long drives. But don't just eyeball it. Invest in a good quality tire pressure gauge. Also, don't inflate to the number printed on the tire. That's the maximum pressure. Instead, check your car manual or the sticker inside the driver's side door for the recommended levels. And if you're still skeptical, here's an extra nugget. Properly inflated tires don't just save you fuel, they last longer, give you a smoother ride, and reduce the risk of blowouts. That's a triple win right there. So, what do you think? Do you check your tire pressure often? Or is it something you'll start doing now? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips.